Hello everybody and welcome back to My Carolina Outdoors. I am Shannon and thank you so much for coming to the channel. Thank you for all the likes and the shares and the subs. We appreciate you. It being a new channel, I appreciate everything. Thank y'all so much. On this video, guys, today I'm just doing a little nature walk. I'm over at the in-laws house, July the 4th weekend. It's actually July the 1st today, so you come on along and we're just gonna walk down the nature trail. I'm not gonna talk a whole lot, you know, so you guys can hear the nature and hear the birds, and maybe we'll see the deer that come up as well. There's about 12 deer that come out in the evenings in the yard at the house, and they give them corn and so forth. So maybe might see them bedded or something, because they're not afraid of humans. Might be afraid of my ugly self, but you know, we appreciate you. Y'all come on along. All right. All right, guys. Walking up here along the trail here. Now, what's pretty cool is we may see them. Deer come out right here. They'll come out about 8 or 9, or no, about 12, I think they said, or maybe 10. We'll come out there every evening, every morning, and my father-in-law throws corn out there. So, yeah, we'll show you. And we may see some laying out here, laying down there. They don't go too far. Show you down through there. Pretty cool out here. Just let y'all enjoy. Not a lot of commentating, just let you enjoy nature and hearing the birds and things. Yeah, so come down here, 2 little areas we can go. Not seeing any deer tracks here, so they must stay down in that valley down there. I'm assuming is where they're staying. It goes around there. I mean, mainly it just stops right there, but it goes around the bend just a little. So up and go around here a little bit and show you. Feels pretty good. It's hot outside, and it's pretty cool when you're in this canopy. Mosquitoes are biting a little bit. Get done with this video. It's pretty hot and muggy. I'm gonna jump in the pool. And mosquitoes are humming. You'll probably be able to hear them on camera, but here in this canopy, they are liking me. Nice hearing the birds and all that stuff. Pretty cool. Good little workout in flip-flops too. Tell you that. Got my flip-flops on, man. Going up here up the trail a little bit. Didn't see no deer. I'd have walked farther, but the mosquitoes starting to bite. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. Okay. So we're out of the woods here now, and this is the driveway. Heading down the driveway here. Show you the pond. That's the main road at the end of the driveway up there. Another little area back in there as well. Four-wheeler trails. Show you here. Here's the pond. Mainly catfish in it. Mainly what's in there. Used to have some goats, some pygmy goats used to stay in here. Keeping once they died. He didn't want no more. They escape artists. Anybody has goats knows that. There's the pond. Little pier. Old pier. There's the pool house. Pool up there. Show you from this angle. Show you from this angle. Over here, the pond. This neighbor over there's got a leaf blower. Back behind it here. Old vines. Nice up under the canopy here. Got a cloudy day today. That's what it is. See if we can zoom in down there, let y'all kind of see. Hear the hawk. Y'all can hear that through there. But yeah, just a little nature walk sometimes. Just go around and just have a little, you know, just walk around if you can in nature. And that's what this video is. If you can't get out there, just, you know, just live through me on this video, walking through nature and let you hear the sounds and as well. Walk out in here a little bit and show you. Another four-wheeler trail down through there as well. Just enjoy it. If there were some flowers and stuff, I'd show you some flowers on the way, but it's like I say, it's a forest and it ain't woods. It ain't a whole lot of under the canopy. A whole lot of things ain't gonna grow. Some red berries. Mother-in-law does have blueberries. Berries there. Yeah. One day is to make it here on this YouTube and be able to get me purchase some land like this and live out my rest of my life raising farm animals and my garden and have my own pond fishing, man. Chase your dreams. Don't never stop chasing your dreams, guys. Don't never stop. Knock you down 10, get up 11, always. Chase your dreams. Never stop chasing your dreams, guys. Ever. Wish I could get a picture of that hawk for you. Wish I could. Well, listen, guys, we appreciate you. We appreciate you so much on the channel. We thank you, as always, for liking, subscribing, and sharing. Also, we're on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. My Carolina Outdoors. You can find us there as well. So we appreciate you so much. If you like it, hey, share it. Let's see if I can get this hawk up there. See if we can get him if he spins it around. Can y'all see him up here? Let me take my glasses down. It's a glare, so it's hard for me to see. There he is. I'm sorry. There he goes. The hawk. Beautiful hawk. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, so